Hello, Bladers. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. Did you just continue that song? Let's check out Eminem and his cars. Welcome to Our Daily Drive. Everyday tips for everyday driver. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. It is not just about his perfectly skilled raps and his dope beats, but he's got the ride to blow your minds off. Here are the top 5 cars of Eminem. Number 1, the Bentley Continental GT. This Continental GT comes with Bentley's world-class reputation, which makes it extra special. This vehicle has been in production for over 15 years now, and it is still being manufactured. Talk about perfection. Number 2, the Chrysler 300. This car has been known to be identified as a premium sedan. If you are buying a 4-door car, the Chrysler 300 is a great choice. It has been in production since 2004, and it is a staple in Chrysler's lineup to this day. Number 3, the Hummer H2. This big boy is a massive SUV. The main purpose of why this was is to be driven on much tougher terrain than it usually is. Though sales for the Hummer H2 did not translate to the vehicle being kept in production. Rumor has it that this company has been sold to another brand. Maybe they might produce a new one. Number 4, Ferrari 599 GTO. The Ferrari 599 GTO also happens to be surprisingly more spacious than you would expect from a car so sporty. This is not just a simple sports car, it is by far known to be a beautiful creation. Number 5, McLaren MP412C. The name McLaren comes with a big reputation to live up to, and they never disappoint whenever they create a new model. McLaren, as they are constantly working on improving their vehicles, the MP412C continues to be developed even though it's already quite the success. Talk about consistency. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss anything? Comment down below so we can discuss it. Eminem, we all know, is one of the most successful rappers in the whole world. I'll give it a try. Voiceover, to the rapping game, then I'll get my own supercar. Will you support me? Just kidding. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.